Welcome to my YouTube channel Spells Blog, and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. It's been some time now, so I'm starting this vlog and welcoming you all to Megong Music Festival 2025 that's happening in Tura. So I'm going to give you a walkthrough in the tent area where all the dignitaries and VIPs were staying last night. So let's get going. So this is the open area from where I'm starting. So there are basically 75 tents are there, so divided into different areas and given to artists, the government officials, the different visitors, and a couple of them are to us. So this is the welcome area for all the dignitaries. I will also introduce you all to our food and beverage manager, Mr. Mithun Roy.
Still alive?
Yes,
Next to this.
still alive. So he's been here since 3rd.
Yeah.
So he came from Shillong to Tura on 3rd, and he's been working day and night. So he's the man behind the scene who's
he's the
making
light
it.
in the darkness.
He's making everything, happening as we speak. So taking right from here. Hi. So this is a dining area given for the artist. So you got breakfast ready?
Yes, sir. Ready?
What do you have for breakfast? Everything is ready? Oh, that's fine. Bhature, pindi, chole, then suji halwa, rava upma is not there, chicken sausages, boiled eggs, bacon, my favorite, and pork sausages. Visit again, tents. So coming here to Tura is kind of a very new experience. It's like around 400 kilometers from Shillong. I started from Guwahati on 4:45 in the morning. Then I reached Shillong. From there, again I started along with the hotel team at around 9 o'clock or so. We reached here at around 6 p.m. or so in the evening. So along with the tents, we have one help desk and a control room. Hello.
Hello,
What is your name?
my name is Akash Das.
Akash Das. So he's part of our food and beverage team. So this was occupied by me and Komal yesterday. So time being, he is the station master here. Correct? So another line of tents here. So it's basically a initiative taken by government of Meghalaya to promote, local culture and to start with giving a platform to local and international artists. Now the biggest man of the show, brushing teeth. Good morning, chef. Yate, all well? All well? Kokal bhi bhal paise na nai? Ki hol? So Mr. Pradyut Hazarika is our executive chef, Vivanta Meghalaya Shillong. Another line of tents here. This is in fact a very beautiful concept in the line of Ran of Kutch. Going forward, I'm sure, like Cherry Blossom, this is also going to be a very big success and better and best days are yet to come. Our General Manager, Mr. Gaurav Sharma.
Hi, how are
Would
you?
you like to say something to my audience?
You are audience? Yeah.
Yes.
Hi, hello, how are you? I hope you're enjoying.
Seems like you are enjoying. अरे जानू गाने तक गावा नहीं प्लीज. He is Mr. Janu Barua, our banquet manager from.
What are you doing?
No, I'm just.
Overseas banquet manager has been bought.
Yeah, so imported banquet manager from
Thank you so much.
Guwahati. He has been kind categorically. I'm telling, because yesterday we were not able to finish. The work was so much. So he slept in the control room. I saw you coming and sleeping there.
No, I slept outside there.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
And say something or sing a song.
I'll come back to you.
I'll come back to you. Okay. Now, I would like to introduce Mr. Justin. He's our housekeeping manager here, who's been tasked with the responsibility of maintaining all the housekeeping facilities in this area. So, would you like to say something?
No, everything is fine.
Everything is fine. So he's been
Enjoying.
managing all the 75 tents along with Vivas, right?
Yes.
Vivas is our colleague from again Vivanta Guwahati. Yeah. Yes, I have a YouTube channel.
Influencer. Oh, influencer. Next time we'll be calling.
See, my F&B manager is getting influenced now. Too early in the morning to get influenced. Not a good sign. So I showed you the artist breakfast area. Now we have another breakfast area for the other guests. We'll take a just quick look. টোপনি পূৰা নাই So we have cereal for breakfast, bacon, pork sausages, chicken sausages, egg, suji halwa, rava upma, pindi chole, cut fruits, breads, same stuff. So she is the partner in crime, Miss Komal Chetri, part of my sales team. So Komal shared the tent 50 last night with another colleague of ours. We'll take a quick peep. Can you please open, Komal? So there are like like different rooms. Like this is a twin room that we have. So like we have a luggage rack, then writing table. Yes, sir. A writing table, then all the tea coffee cabinet, a water heater. It's nicely done. And there are other rooms also with king bed as well. And just that side is a washroom that I'm not going to show. So along with the other dining areas that I showed you, this is the MIP dining area for the ministers, state guests and etc. So we'll not go inside for now. So table, bar and everything is set. And the man in charge is Mr. Jahanu Barua.
Hello, hello.
Introducing. So would you like to say a few words?
Nice place. We have been enjoying it so far. Tents are nice, people are nice, lot of celebrities are here. We are serving food here, we are serving alcohol.
Who were the celebrities yesterday? Niti Mohan?
Niti Mohan was there, there was an international singer, we really enjoyed it.
Richard Marx.
Richard Marx was there, yes.
And
No, we did
Julian.
not get time. Julian was there, yes, correct.
Julian Male.
But very cold here.
Yeah, it's very cold. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts, Jahanu.
Thank you. We'll come again.
Yeah, we'll come again. So we'll do the last lap now. So basically it's a massive structure they have erected, you know, out of nowhere. It's really huge. As I said, I'm sure going forward this is going to be a real good, huge success. The madness is going to start today.